In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your messages in ChatGPT. 2026 Guide. If you've ever wished you could tweak a prompt after sending it, maybe to fix a typo, clarify your instructions, or add a specific tone, this is exactly what you need. We'll go from finding the message you want to refine to opening the edit interface, making clear adjustments, and resubmitting for a fresh, improved response. First, locate the message you want to refine. Open the conversation from your recent chats that contains the exchange you want to improve. Focus on your own message rather than the AI's reply. Editing your input is what changes the model's next response, so you want to make sure you're selecting the exact message you originally sent. If you're working in a longer thread, scan for your most recent instruction or the point where the conversation started to drift, and select that user message. Next, access the editing interface. Move your cursor over your sent text to reveal the hidden controls. When you see the small pencil icon labeled Edit, click it. Your message will transform into an editable text field right in place, keeping the flow of the conversation intact. If the controls don't appear, make sure you're hovering directly over your own message and not the assistant's response. Now, apply your revisions. Clean up spelling or grammar, tighten your request, and add clear constraints such as the desired tone, length, audience, or format. Preserve your original intent unless you deliberately want to change direction. Small, targeted edits usually produce the best improvements. Use concise, unambiguous language. For example, instead of saying, make it better, specify, summarize in 3 sentences with a professional tone. The clearer your instructions, the easier it is for the model to deliver exactly what you want. When you're satisfied, resubmit. Click Send to confirm your changes. ChatGPT will process the revised prompt and generate a new response, replacing the previous one in the conversation flow so the thread stays tidy. Take a moment to read the updated reply closely. If it still isn't quite there, repeat the same edit process and refine further. Often, a quick clarification or added constraint is all it takes to get a great result, and that is all for today. Mastering the edit tool allows you to iterate quickly, sharpen your prompts, and get the most out of every conversation. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.